In just 3 weeks, 500,000 calves are born on these ash-rich plains. Every year, over 1 million wildebeest assemble in this particular corner of the Serengeti. Calves stand up within a few minutes of being born, though some need a little more time to find their feet. But a mother won't let her calf suckle until it's mastered a few physical skills. Wildebeest calves must run if they're to stay alive. For these plains also support the greatest assembly of hunters on the planet. Each species has its own special hunting technique to make the most of this brief superabundance of life. Only 1 in 10 wildebeest calves will survive to adulthood. But that is enough to maintain the million-strong herd of wildebeest and the planet's highest density of predators.